No? I brought you some tea. Maybe that'll help. Oh man, you really have a fever going. Is it okay if I read you a story? Yeah? It's the book of word avalanches.
Word avalanche. Incredibly contrived setups for homophonic punchlines.
Alright, so I'll start off with a little preview, right? So here's one. Buffalo, 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 buffalo. Or in other words, angry bison from New York bully other bison. Would you like me to read you some more examples? Alright, let's get into this. Alright, Lila, so here, a white supremacist musician is tasked with determining the rules to a marathon to take place in a biodome on the moon and thinks it should be separated by skin color. But he decides to be open-minded and review the files of each person entered to determine their placement. In other words...
Racist basis, bases race-based space-based races on case-to-case basis.
This one is, rarely do fathers peddle stupid trinkets. In other words...
Hey there, you want to buy some toys? I got toys for sale. I got all this nice stuff. You can buy if you want. You can
Sell them doodads. Sell dumb doodads. A Mexican man takes anxiety medication. In other words...
Hola, ¿cómo estás, man? Hey, hombre, what's good, fool? Oh, dang! Hey, hombre, I'm scared!
Hispanic attacks. Hispanic attacks.
My teacher had the wrong word for torture, torturer. In other words...
What is a torture? It's not torture, it's torrent, and I'm a torrenter.
Dang, hombre!
Mentor meant torment or meant tormentor.
When being stopped by the cops in the U.S., my first reaction is to think it's wrong, coupled with an impending sense of doom. Then I just want to run away as fast as I can and completely ignore the cop who stopped me. Then I hear that all too well-known sentence. In other words... Oh man, do I need to run away now?
Hello, sir.
Hello, officer.
Police department official business.
Oh boy.
Okay. The camera. Read it. Ethan.
Licensed in dread. Just race. Shun police. License and registration, please.
Waitress, please bring back this overcooked ribeye. In other words...
Waitress!
Yes?
Could you take this back, please?
Sure thing.
Miss, take mistake. After changing the color of my hair, I passed away. At my funeral, my son proclaimed my eulogy. In other words... Antoine, a beloved friend and son, died today, 8:59.
I dyed my hair red. I dyed my hair red.
My Asian friend opened a fortune cookie that said he would become fat. In other words...
Here you go, Chin.
Fortune for chin. For chin. How do you describe the concept of innocence? In other words,
Yes, Jack?
Mister, what does it mean to be innocent?
In essence, innocence is no sins. In a sense.
You get a text from an unfamiliar number, but it turns out to be your new, perpetually naked enemy. In other words,
Yo, why you keep calling me? Why you keep harassing me?
Bro, I hate you. I hate everything you live for. I despise you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
new phone? Who dis? New foe? Nudist. My Japanese instructor claims he can hear money speak to him. In other words,
Oh, wise and powerful sensei, please teach me about your obsession with money.
Oh, it speaks to me. It says my name.
Sensei's sense says sense say sensei.
an Asian independent musician attacks your legs with one of his legs, and it doesn't make you feel good at all. In other words,
Love me, say that you love me, fool me, go on.
Indonesian, Indonese, ya Indonese. Ya, it don't ease ya.
when your friend's watch reads 158, your watch reads
Hey, yo, Brandon, what time does your watch say?
It should be the same time as yours.
1:58? Interesting that we have the same time.
2 to 2, 2. Former package and his former gaming console put another former package's old gaming console in a box. He then fights another package. If he wins, as reward, he gets the old Xbox's current Xbox. Only one box can win the fight, and we alert the winner they won. The winner then gets to cross out the loser's name, and the winner takes the prize. In other words,
One Xbox X Xbox One X boxes one Xboxes one Xbox One X. Box 1 boxes box. Box 1 one box. And one Xbox is Xbox One X. 1 the box. Xbox 1 X Xboxes Xbox One X. Xbox 1 Xboxes Xbox One X.
whew, I almost got an aneurysm for reading those. Have sweet dreams, little Lila.